What's up, YouTube? 2 for 2. 2 days in a row. What's she doing? What's happening? I don't know. But I come to you with a quick unboxing that I'll probably share on YouTube and on my Instagram page, on my fitness page, Pound Cake Physique. Look what I got. Look what I got. Y'all see them colors? Jamaica. Yeah. Thought to myself, every time I get a waist eraser, waist belt, waist cincher, waist something, I try to support my queens. So y'all know I rock the waist eraser by Keisha Kayor. And then I branched out and I got the J Scope by Jazz Jackson. So this time, another queen, another black beautiful queen to support. Lyric Rochester, who has Pomi by Lyric. She does TLC, makeup. I mean, she's a Jane of all trades. I mean, she doing her thing, you know. Okay? So I was like, let me support her. I've been watching her for a long time. And I was like, it's her time. It's her time. Now, I'm sitting here, y'all. Got my scissors. But see, I'm so anxious, I ain't even need the scissors. Because this queen got some strength. And I just ripped this thing open by itself. So, by myself. So, what did I get? I got the Pomi Fitness belt, y'all. What? And it's in pink! Come on. Come on. Need I say more? Need I say more? And she said that the color variation was for the sizing. So, I got me in small. Can she fit the small? By Lyric's measurements, said I fit the small. But we ain't trying it on today. We just unboxing it today. So don't be trying to come for me. So, Pomi Fitness, hashtag what waist. What? Now see, the automatic difference that I like already in between this one and the Keisha Kayor waist eraser is that I noticed that hers was wider. Now, when you go from size to size in the Kayor waist eraser, now they get smaller or larger, obviously, depending on the size. But the width, meaning the length of your torso, changes also. But when Lyric was trying this on one of her videos, and she had on a small, it was still wider, the band, from, under your bust to your actual navel to your waistline. And I was like, that's something I can get into. So, oh, it smells so new. Oh, can you smell the fitness? Smell the pounds decreasing. Smell the fat transferring somewhere other than your waist. I can smell it. Can you smell it? Oh my gosh. I can't wait. And I already worked out today. So, when you get a waist belt that makes you want to work out when you've already worked out, it says something. Think about it. All right. I'm excited. I'm boosted. I'm already matching. It's got my pink on because I love pink. Hello. I'm ready. So we're going to come back in the next few days, week or so, after I get it in, and we're going to review old girl right here. Okay?